Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak English better? Do you want to learn it in a simple, fun way? You're in the right place. Many people start learning English. They download an app, they buy a book, but then they stop. Why is it so hard to keep going? Today, I'll tell you the real reason. It's not because you're not smart. It's because of how your brain works. And I have a secret for you. You can probably say, I love you, easily. Why is that? The answer is the key to speaking English well. Stay until the end of this video. You'll learn that secret. And you'll learn 3 simple steps to start today. Why we stop learning. Let's talk about your brain. Your brain doesn't like lists of words. It doesn't like grammar rules. To your brain, these are strange things. But your brain loves situations. It loves feelings. It loves the sound and rhythm of words. Think about this sentence. I'm fine, thank you. And you? You have seen it many times, but you probably don't use it in real life. Why? Because you haven't used it in a real moment. The words are not connected to a real memory. So your brain thinks they're not important. This is why just memorizing words isn't enough. You need a better way. The power of habit. Your brain loves to save energy. It does this with habits. When something becomes a habit, you do it easily. You don't have to think hard. Speaking English can be a habit. If you say one sentence 100 times, it feels natural. It's not a memory anymore. It's part of you. The words come out of your mouth automatically. So, why do we freeze when we try to speak? Why do we say, what was the word? It is because of something called cognitive load. Your brain is trying to do too many things at once. It's thinking about grammar, it's looking for the right word, it's worrying about pronunciation, it's checking if the sentence is correct. That is too much work. Your brain gets tired and just stops. It's not your fault. Your brain is just too busy. The real secret. A new identity. So what is the solution? Here is the most important idea. Language is not just a skill. It is an identity. When you speak a language, it changes how you feel. It changes how you think. It changes how you see the world. Learning a new language is like trying on new clothes. At first, it feels strange. It feels a little awkward. You might even feel shy. But you must go through this feeling. When you do, you start to see the world in a new way. Now, let's go back to the first question. Why is I love you so easy to say? It is more than just 3 words. It is a feeling. When you feel love, the words come out. You are not thinking about grammar rules. You are not searching for the right words. You are being a person who loves. You are wearing the identity of love. The words flow naturally. This is the secret to learning English. Don't just memorize words. Start to think in English. Start to feel in English. Wear the English identity. Then the words will start to flow automatically, just like I love you. 3 simple steps to start now. This might sound big, but starting is easy. Here are 3 simple things you can do right now. First, listen a lot. Speaking comes later. Your ears must get used to English first. Your ears need to feel the rhythm of the language. Watch the videos on this channel. Watch them again and again. Turn on the subtitles. At first, maybe you understand 30%. That is perfectly okay. Understanding is not the goal yet. The goal is to let the sound and rhythm sink into your brain. Second, copy what you hear. You can whisper if you want. When you hear a simple sentence you like, pause the video. Say the sentence out loud. Your mouth will feel strange. Your pronunciation might be weird. That is okay. It is a good sign. It means you're learning. You can even mix your native language with English. For example, you can say, I'm going home, or I need some water. When you do this, your brain starts to connect the situation with the English word. The important thing is to keep a flow. You are building new roads in your brain. Third, write things down. If you hear a good sentence, write it in a notebook. Use your hand. You don't have to read it again. The simple act of writing is powerful. When you write by hand, your brain saves the information with feeling. A memory with feeling is much stronger. It stays with you for a long, long time. Your new journey. Let's review the 3 steps. Listen to the rhythm. Train your ears. Copy what you hear. Train your mouth. Write things down. Train your brain connection. Learning English is not just about a new skill. It's about changing your world. It's about changing you. This is not studying. This is a journey to becoming a new you. So today, say your first sentence. It doesn't have to be perfect. Making a mistake is okay. That is how you start. If you have your own learning tips, please share them in the comments. Your idea could be a big help for someone else. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.